Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. First, my little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested right now in Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, HUD8, KR1, Galaxy Digital, and Cryptology Asset Group. Okay, let's jump right into it. Let's check the prices here first. So Bitcoin is right now at 51,600. So we're still above 51,000, which is very nice. It looks very stable right now here. I mean, it can go now to the upside or to the downside. You never know. I will make no predictions here. But the RSI on the daily here is at 74 right now. So the good thing is when we grow slowly like we do right now in Bitcoin, the RSI does not pump like crazy, which is very good, which means we could go, there's a lot room on the RSI here to grow. So yes, let's wait and see how this develops here, but that looks very nice. So Ethereum, very good day. We have a new all-time high here at 1,940 or something like this. 4% up right now. We have Polkadot today a little bit in red here. But yeah, I think we had yesterday we had an all-time high today at 32.50 or something like this. But now it's dropping a little bit. Yeah, then we have Hive Blockchain, again, a very good day, 7%. We have HUD8, like 5%. And Bitfarms is going crazy right now with 30%. So yeah, this is the next ball which is released. You know, I always say the harder you push the ball under the water, the higher it pumps. And yeah, wow, right now another big pump here, live here at 33%. Yes, and Bitfarms was so suppressed. This is a very good company. The only thing I was mentioning about them that they didn't hodl, and yeah, 1 month ago or so they said, okay, we're starting hodl, and this is very nice. So I really like this new strategy here. Very good and very good day for Bitfarms. I'm very happy that this is a big position in my portfolio, the third biggest position. And yeah, this is doing very good to my portfolio right now. Okay, Argo Blockchain a little bit correcting right now. I mean, they had such a great last 3 or 4 days here. We are up more than 100%, so I think this is okay. A little bit correcting now. We have Riot minus 20%, big correction here, and minus 13% for Mara. So the US miners are taking a breather here. I think they had also a very good week here. Yeah, they were up like 200%. So this is now due correction here. I think this is okay. Galaxy minus 3%. I was scaling in Galaxy, so I'm a little bit in red right now at Galaxy, but this is a giant, this is a monster, this will move again. And then I have the next ball here. This is KR1 or Kryptonite, which moves every day like 10 or 20% right now. So you know that I was scaling in here. I started at 40 cents and I was buying all the time here because, yeah, this is a very good company in my opinion. This is a staking company and I think the best Web 3.0 staking company right now you can buy in the world. And yeah, that's why I think the price is going crazy, is going parabolic. I think there's a lot of room to grow right now. Yeah, then I added Cryptology Group. Cryptology Asset Group here, which is a European crypto investment company. It's like the Galaxy Digital of Europe. Also, Galaxy Digital is invested in Cryptology Asset Group. The ticker here in Germany is 4UD, and Mike Novogratz is an advisor there. So yeah, I think this is a good company. I have a very small position. Yeah, then we have DMG Blockchain today, again doing very good, 6%. They had some news 2 days ago. I missed that one. I will talk about in this video a little bit about this. Yeah, doing very good right now. DMG Blockchain, yes. Okay, so let's move on. First of all, we have the news from Bitfarms here. So they announced that they will get delivered 4,500 miners. Very nice here, the MicroBT M31S Plus here, which is a very efficient miner, one of the most efficient here. And it will get delivered in the next 30 days. So there is some good news and some bad news. The good news is they ordered before 3,000 and they increased it to 4,500. But they said the 3,000 will be delivered until end of February. So it's now 30 days, so it's mid-March, but it's 4,500 miners, so I think this is still very good news. So the hash rate will increase to 1.3 exahash. So yeah, this is a major increase here, very nice, and the efficiency will improve to 49 watt per terahash, or you can say a little bit more than 20 petahash per megawatt or something like this. So a very good efficiency. I think Riot is a little bit more efficient with all these NS19s, but I think yeah, when you see the valuation of these two companies, I think Bitfarms is a very good buy right now. They will mine 9 Bitcoins with the current difficulty. I think the difficulty will rise in the upcoming days and weeks, but yeah, let's say it's 8.5 Bitcoins. This is also a very good number. Yeah, the daily Bitcoin production value of $450,000 US. So this would be the revenue with the prices right now. 9 Bitcoins multiplied with 50,000 US. So a lot of money. And yeah, the cross mining costs would be like 7,000 per Bitcoin. So they are very low cost here on the operational side. Okay, they have some fixed costs, but overall they are very efficient, and the gross mining margin should be above 80% right now. Very good. And what I really like here is that they added in the last 46 days a lot of Bitcoins to their balance sheet, like 250 or so. So they call it these pilot retention program. I call it HODL. Yeah, they're hodling like crazy right now. So Bitfarms expect to have approximately 500 Bitcoins in the program in approximately 30 days. So at the end of March, so at the end of the quarter, they will have more than 500 Bitcoins on their balance sheet. So they're hodling right now like crazy. I mean, they have a lot of cash right now on the balance sheet because they raised a lot of money from the market here, from these private offerings there, private placements. So they can hodl their Bitcoins, which is very good. And yeah, which creates value for the shareholder, at least in my opinion. So, and yes, they're building right now the infrastructure for these new miners, and they're adding here the phase 2 at our site in Covansville. So this is in Quebec. This will expand the site capabilities from 4 megawatt to its full 16.7 megawatt capacity, and be able to accommodate up to 4,700 new generation miners. This build out also includes a new repair lab and operations command center, which is expected to be operational in Q2 2021. So we can expect in Q2 2021 another 4,700 miners here, which with a hash rate of like 350 petahash or 400 petahash or something like this. So yes, they are very aggressive in growth, and that's what I really like with Bitfarms. They are executors. I mean, they have like 80 or 90 employees or so, something like this. So they have their own electrical company. The company is called Volta, so they can expand very fast and build out these facilities there, which I really like. So yeah, overall they have now 12,000 microBTs, these Chinese hardware manufacturer, which is, yeah, I think one of the best miners right now, the M31 and M30S in the world. So overall that looks very good, and I think that's why Bitfarms increased like 30% today. So that was due. The ball is released, and yeah, now we have fun. Congratulations Bitfarms here. Very good. Yeah, and then we have some news from DMG, provides an overview and a business outlook for 2021. So yes, here we have DMG blockchain, and what they say, they're talking about their development plans for 2021. And yeah, they want to focus on the DMG's core business, the Christiana Lake data center. So they have this 85 megawatt huge data center there. Very nice location there. I saw the pictures. Very, very good infrastructure from high voltage to medium voltage to low voltage. They are very good in these, in these infrastructure things. So, and that's why they're now Amazon retrofitting. So with this liquid, they want to cool the miners there, and they want to have more efficiency here. So they say they can improve the efficiency there by 30%, which is very nice. I don't know whether this is possible, but I think it is when they say this. This is very nice. And yeah, they say, yeah, you can improve like 1000 petahash to 1300 petahash. So this is the 30% improvement here. And yeah, they're talking here about self-mining. They right now, they're talking, they have some miners here. I don't know the petahash, so I think it's not much. But yeah, they say they will release details shortly here. So maybe there's a mining order in the bush. We will see. Would be very nice. I mean, I see DMG right now more as a solution company and blockchain software company. I mean, they're very diversified, and okay, they have no big self-mining fleet, but I see them now less than a miner, so more these solution companies, and they're very good in infrastructure. So yeah, this is right now just speculation, but we know that Mara will get a lot of miners in the upcoming weeks and months, and we will see whether this facility of Mara is completed or not. I don't know the details here. Maybe it will, but I think yeah, the DMG and Mara, they have a good cooperation right now with this mining pool and all this stuff, and I think that maybe they work together. Maybe Mara hosts some miners there for a period of time. We will see. I think this could be a good partnership here between these two. Yes, and yeah, then they were talking about this vertically integrated blockchain company, the blocks here, and this software focused. So they have these software products. So overall, yeah, there's some movement there and DMG, and yeah, the price right now is very high. So I missed that one here to buy here. But I cannot buy every blockchain stock. It's sad, but it is what it is. So I will wait for a correction here for DMG, and then I think I will move a little bit into DMG again. Because I like right now, I was always thinking, they have no miners, but yeah, they are doing a lot of interesting stuff. And yeah, that's what I want to honor here. Okay, guys, so I have something different here. Here is the Twitter guy here, Bitcoin119. He said, guys, I've sold my ARB shares today. I made enough money to buy my first home. I still have HUD and Mara, and I plan to hold them until the end of the bull market. My special thanks to Think Like a Whale, from whom I first learned about Argo Blockchain and bought them around 10 pence. So this guy here made a lot of money and bought a house. And yeah, thank you very much that you followed my suggestion here with Argo Blockchain. I mean, it was one of my first videos. I think in November, I did a video about Argo Blockchain. I said this company is very undervalued. This guy bought these shares at 10 pence, and yeah, he made a lot of money. And this is one of the reasons why I'm doing this. I want to help you guys that you make some money. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be very difficult. You have to be very patient. And yeah, a lot of people say to me, yeah, you have to improve your YouTube videos, and you should improve your thumbnails and scream like a monkey into the camera and all this stuff. Yeah, first of all, I have no time to do this. And the second thing is, I don't want to grow. I don't want hype growth. I want smart growth. I want the people in this audience here, they deserve it to make a lot of money. And these are the people, what I think they will create value in this world when they make a lot of money here. I don't want these people, they first buy a Lambo and a boat, and yeah, they buy this stuff to show other people that they're cooler than them. This creates no value in this world. I want the people, they do smart investments with their money, and they improve the world a little bit. This is my goal here, and that's why I like this. I don't need this huge growth here on YouTube. It's just one channel. I want to create my business. Yeah, this is my goal here, and I want to help you guys, but you have to create some value in this world. Okay, so let's move on. Yeah, then Bitfarms makes some fun here. Thanks, HUD. We completely agree with your analysis. Bitfarms is the most undervalued public miner. So yeah, in terms of market cap and hash rate, we can see that Bitfarms is a little bit better than HUD8. We can see here. So I really like this here from Bitfarms, that they are now a little bit more aggressive and a little bit more active in the social media. So I think the hash wars are starting right now. I mean, they didn't mention here that that HUD8 has a lot more hodl, for example, than Bitfarms. So yeah, they are all making their charts here to show which one is better. That's why I have created the BMXI model to compare all the important numbers, for me important numbers. Okay, I have not integrated the NASDAQ factor, which we know right now is a big factor for liquidity. But okay, I think the companies without NASDAQ are very good. It's just a matter of time, and then they will go to NASDAQ. And then we will have a party here with Riot and Mara and all this stuff. So I really like this activity here from Bitfarms. I think this is a good company, a very good company. And yeah, let's move on to the data. We have the hash rate here of Bitcoin. So this is the monthly chart. So no crazy increase here. We are still flat, you can say. We can see that the next difficulty change is in 1 day, and it's like 0.8%. So no growth here on the difficulty side. Very good for our miners. Mining profitability from Bitcoin, 34 cents per day per terahash, and Ethereum, 14 cents per day per megahash. And the address is richer than $1 is right now 31,400. So it's growing every day. I think last time we were at 31,000 2 days ago or so. So we increased like 400,000. So this is very good and very nice here. So I will show you very short here my portfolio. On Patreon I go a lot more into detail about this, but you can see this week is 48% right now in 4 days. Last week was 42%. So this is a very good week for me because of KR1 is doing so good. Bitfarms right now is doing very good, and HUD8 is also doing good. Hive Blockchain is doing good, and Argo did very, very good. So yes, very good week here for my portfolio. And what we can see also here when I show you the BMXI, I don't do this usually here, but I will show you today. We can see that HUD8 here is crazy undervalued right now. And yeah, this is very interesting. That's why this is my biggest position right now. But at some point this ball will release too. I mean, there are some factors why this happened here to HUD8 and why they're not moving so much. I think there was this Bitfury thing. They sold some shares there. I think, which is okay because it's own shares. They can do what they want. And yeah, so we can see that Bitfarms dropped here a lot because they had a huge 30% increase right now. So HUD8 really is right now, in my opinion or in my model, the most undervalued. So we will see what happens with HUD8. Maybe it will take some time, but there's going to be some point when this thing will explode. I don't know when, I don't know why, but it will happen, that's for sure for me. Okay, guys, so I think that's it for today. I hope I missed no news. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.